The life of the beige. Photos. Our life here in Philippines. Having coffee in the coffee bean while we get our bread from French Baker. Dito na naman kami sa Mall of Asia. Bale, pupunta kami ngayon sa toilet. Ito. I like that place. Wow, nilinis ni Lola. Nilinis to ni Mama JR. Ha? JR, siya yung naglinis nito, si Mama? Hala. Bagong linis. Very nice, no? How was it? That curtain. I'm the one who chose that curtain. Look. You like it? Nice, no? You like it? This is our apartment bunch. I'm the one who chose this curtain. You like the curtain? You like the curtain?
Mom, I left my shoes downstairs.
Oh, look.
Is it okay?
Nice.
Is it okay if I left my shoes downstairs outside? Mum, is it okay? Where's my bedroom? Is this mine? Slide.
How was our house? How was our house?
Say my house.
No, the curtain.
I want.
Answers the curtain.
Because you remember, the window is open everywhere. See, you can see that one very clear, eh? Very clear.
Excuse me? That's my room.
Nice, no? Oh. Oof. Wow. Sophie, come here. Oh. Hala! Galing. Mo.
Sure.
Ito na ang bagong buhay ni Harold at saka ni Charis. Okay.
Picture lang ko. Hello. Again.
Picture natin.
Tayo kayo dyan. Tayo kayo dito.
Ay, umutot. Man. Umutot.
Hindi kita na sa likod.
Umutot si Tom.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. Yan. Sino nasa likod? Wala. Yan.
Gusto ka Sophie? Ay.
Ate, hindi kayo kita. Okay. 10 seconds.
Okay. Look,
10,
look, look.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Merry Christmas!
Okay.
Sabay. Tapos di ba?
Sabay, sabay.
Hello, Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
10,
Okay.
9, 8, 7, 6,
Okay, Merry Christmas!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Merry Christmas! Go.
Okay.
Thank you. Pagod ako ah. Nakapag mo ako. 0.5. Exercise ako nung gabi ah.
Anong aso? Ano? Pag kinagat yan.
Nakabitaw yung ato doon.
Hindi yan nasa railways yan. Mamaya. Suman?
Okay, photo.
Nice.